Hi everybody, Geraldine Rose here. We're not supposed to open this until the class on July the 11th, but I can't help it. So, let's take a peek. Okay, we have got the garlands to all the ephemera coming from Tim Holtz and SSS Stamp that he and Heidi packaged up for the class. Apparently there are over 1,000 pieces in this kit. This is the Christmas Emporium. This is Christmas the 2024. I always love the poinsettias. This is, again, another Christmas 2024. Looks like a huge assortment of pieces that we've got that we will be using for the class. And everybody can take the class. It is on the SSS Stamp YouTube channel. These are the chipboards. Baseboards, transparencies, again, Christmas 2024. We'll be using those for some dimensional cards, I guess. Oh, that's the frame that's in there for everybody that wants to do like the little dioramas. Yay! We have more distress pencils. Crayons. I do not have any of these ones. The Fired Brick, the Salty Ocean, and the Lucky Clover in Christmas colors. They are giving us a mini cube of the Iced Spruce Distress ink. I don't have that as well. This is the part I'm really interested in. He's got a new glitter that he and Heidi developed. Tim and Heidi, the snowflakes, clear mica flakes, all mixed in. They are coming out with a bigger size of this. Glossy accents. I can always do with more of that. This is Collage Medium, the matte. I actually don't have any of that, so that'll be good. What else have we got in here? Baby bells, yay! And some ribbon for using. Super Reese, typical candy. SSS Stamp always puts those in. Oh, yes, a little mini foam blending stick, some twine. There's the candles, the Q-tips. Not certain what we're using those for. Paper clips, and I'm not certain. Oh, they're little mini dragon clips they've got. Look at that. Tags in a couple of sizes. This one is so that you can put pieces in there and stack them so that people can have an interactive tag and pull it out. Oh, foam squares, yes, love them. They're very thin, but they work well for just getting a little bit of dimension, lifting your elements up on your card. That is the die that you can use for other ones, tags and cards, for creating an interactive one where you can put things in the slots. We have got some mini phone strips. Those are quite narrow. Those will work well for shaker cards. Oh, this is the sticker pack, I'm certain. Yep, the sticker book. Oh my gosh, those are quite thin. Oh, those will work really well for sub-sentiments. Oh, okay. Tag envelope, tag envelope, tag envelope. A2, A2, white and red. This is the old weathered cellophane stickers that we've got. There's 3 of them. That is the SSS Stamp. Use LEAP 24, valid until August the 25th. $5 off your next order. We've got some card bases. Oh, they gave us a few colors here. One of mine has gotten funky from getting squashed up against the edge. A dark evergreen, a light pale blue, a white, a navy, and a red. I don't know if that's the schoolyard red, but it is good for Christmas. There is an acetate half sheet from the looks of it. Have some glitter cardstocks. Well, that is what is in the kit. I'm just going to put this all back in so it looks like I didn't open it. Okay, don't tell. Oh, just an extra aside for those of you that are in Canada. The kit itself was $99.99 US. I think it's sold out now, but it shipped up and I just got it today. It was here in Canada on Monday, but we had our stat yesterday for Canada Day, July the 1st. Post office came to my door this morning and they wanted another $67 in duty, tariffs, and taxes. So I'm just giving a warning to everybody else in Canada that you're going to have to pay extra. I think all told with the exchange, yeah, it probably came up to close to $200 now, but it's worth it. How often do we get a class with Tim Holtz, right? We're going to have fun. We're going to get some Christmas cards done in July, and that's the part I'm going to focus on. Sorry for doing an unboxing. I know that there are some of you that don't want to see those anymore, but they're still fun to do, right? Because we all love getting craft supplies. It was a special one. Everybody, go out, be that change you want to see in the world, and have some fun. Well, thanks for watching. We'll catch you all next time. Bye-bye.